Okay guys, 2022 Toyota RAV4 Adventure Package, all-wheel drive, rebuilt title, damage was right here. Wasn't too bad, I've got some pictures I can show you. Driver's airbag blue, Michelin tires, all leather, no sunroof. Start it up here for you. $41,548 on the miles, adaptive cruise, lane assist, all your auto hold. This is all your off-road packages here. You can see you can change all that. Backup camera. Heated seats here. Smart key. I don't think that has wireless charging. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Heated steering wheel. There's your VIN number. You can check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.